Hello friends, today's topic Diwali Mahurat trading on 12th November Sunday evening. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. The purpose of the video is service to society. In this video, today we are presenting three important pieces of useful information for all investors. Topic number one, this year Mahurat trading is on 12th November Sunday between 6:15 p.m. and 7:15 p.m. You can plan to invest some amount of money for long term on that since it is considered auspicious. Following is the performance of Nifty 50 index on Mahurat trading day since 2008. 2008 Mahurat trading day profits was 5.9%, 2009 0.02%, 2010 0.5%, 2011 0.2%, 2012 minus 0.3%, 2013 plus 0.2%, 2014 plus 0.2%, 2015 0.5%, 2016 minus 0.4%, 2017 minus 0.6%, 2018 0.70% up, 2019 plus 0.37%, 2020 plus 0.47%, 2021 plus 0.5% and 2022 0.88% up. In the last 15 years, Nifty has closed positively on 12 Mahurat trading days. So most likely that even in 2023, Nifty may trade positive on that day. Usually the volume of shares traded on Mahurat trading day is low since institutions usually don't participate and also the trading is open for only 1 hour. Now topic number 2. SBI reported good results on 4th November Saturday. They were better than analysts' expectations. Many brokerage companies have revised the target price since its performance is likely to improve further in the next quarter. Revised target price of SBI. Current price 578. Morgan Stanley rating attractive. Target before results 670. Target after results 670. Goldman Sachs rating buy. Target before results 746. Target after results 710. Citi rating buy. Target before results 700. Target after results 700. JP Morgan rating overweight. Target before results 720. Target after results 725. Jeffries buy rating. Target before results 760. Target after results 780. Kotak Equities rating buy. Target before results 725. Target after results 725. BNP Paribas rating buy. Target before results 790. Target after results 790. Motilal Oswal rating buy. Target before results 700. Target after results 700. Novuma buy. Target before results 705. Target after results 705. CLSA buy rating and target before results 700. Target after results 700. JM Financials rating buy. Target before results 710. Target after results 710 and the average is 720. So on an average the target price is 30% above the current stock price. SBI stock has underperformed the market in the last 1 year since it has fallen by 6% compared to a raise of 7% for the Nifty 50 index. This is the reason for the positive expectation from the stock. Here is an announcement. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರಿಂದ for all channel members today 7th November Tuesday at 9:15 p.m. live YouTube question answer session Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Now coming to topic number 3. Tata Group, which owns Voltas, is considering to sell the company since it is finding difficulty in expanding, especially due to high competition. However, as of now, nothing has been finalized. Tata Group is a promoter with 30% stake in Voltas. Voltas was founded in 1954. It manufactures air conditioners and water coolers as well as commercial refrigeration units. It is the largest air conditioning brand in India. It has presence across India, Middle East, Southeast Asia and Africa. As of 30th September 2023, Voltas had a market share of 3.3% for refrigerators, 5.4% for washing machines in India. Now, Voltas last 5 years financials. 2018 and 19 net profit 514 crores. 1920 521 crores. 2021 529 crores. 21-22 506 crores. 22-23 it has dropped down to 136 crores. You can see the growth in revenue for the last 5 years is very low and also profit has been slightly declining. This is the reason the stock has significantly underperformed the other stocks in the overall market. We need to wait and see what decision Tata Group takes in the next few months. Now the mini fundamental analysis of Voltas. 52 weeks high 934, low 737, current price 814. For an investor, 1 year returns 1%, 3 year returns 3%, 5 year returns 10% per annum, 10-year returns 25% per annum. At the end of the video, here is a question. If you bought a stock on 25th August 2022, sold on 18th May 2023 and made a profit, what percentage of tax do you need to pay on capital gains? There are 4 choices: 10%, 15%, 20% and 30%. In case you are not the member of Dr. Bharath Chandra, Rohan Chandra channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.